Hi guys, today I will unbox Google Pixel 4, the latest in the market, and let's see what inside the box, how it's feeling in the hand, how it's look like, the device. This is white version, so we will see how it's look like. Let's go. This is the phone, how it's look like. This is the phone. How is it in the hand? Here very smooth, and it's anti-fingerprint. It's not show nothing of fingerprints here. Black aluminium frame with orange bottom for the white color, and screen it's live wallpaper, which is moving wallpaper by touch. It's look nice, smooth in the hand. In the box it's paper with pins and everything. This is the cable from C type to C type, and this is the adapter, C type, British version. And the phone from here have C type charger, mic and speaker. There is no place for 3.5 headset, and not for mount. This is the phone. I hope so that I will give you all information about it within 1 week. Please like and subscribe to get the latest information about this phone and more.